Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best drawer organizers in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Paroma 24-piece drawer organizer set 5-size versatile vanity and bathroom clear plastic desk trays and customized layout storage bins for makeup kitchen office. Clear. Our top pick for the best overall drawer organizer is this 24-piece set from Amazon. Made from durable plastic in a clear finish, these drawer organizers have an acrylic look without a high price tag. We love them because they're durable, versatile, and come in a variety of different sizes, so you can find ones that fit in your drawer and customize the organization based on your needs. While they aren't adjustable like some of our other picks, the organizers fit nicely together and allow you to create a DIY drawer organization system that works best for you. Whether you need them for desk accessories, junk, flatware, or bathroom toiletries. Number 4. Drawer Dividers Organizer 5-pack. Adjustable separators, 4 high expandable, from 11 to 17 for bedroom, bathroom, closet, clothing, office, kitchen storage, strong secure hold, foam ends, locks in place. Our pick for best for clothes are definitely the JONYJ Drawer Dividers. These drawer organizers are completely customizable, allowing you to divide drawers into compartments that make sense for your wardrobe needs. They're also made from acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, which is a type of durable thermoplastic polymer, so they will last a long time without ever losing their quality. The adjustable drawer organizers aren't the most stylish, but they do come in several different colors, so you can choose one that works with your style. Additionally, they're available in 3 different adjustable sizes, so you can grab a few for different size dresser drawers. Number 3. Simple Houseware Closet Underwear Organizer Drawer Divider 4 Set, Gray. Great tool for overcrowded drawers. Only complaint is the one shown for wire brass takes up too much space to be used that way. I'm a busty woman and would have preferred those slots to be bigger to fit larger brass. I got these organizer cues to organize my drawers, and it's made them much more neater and organized. I definitely recommend getting these so you don't have your panties brass bathing suits all over the place. I don't regret buying these at all. No more messy drawers. I was skeptical that this would actually make a difference in my drawers, but it does. It's easier to find things, and I can fit more in the same space. The gray color keeps the drawer from being too dark. No complaints. Number 2. Kutik 16-piece Drawer Organizer Set. 5-size bathroom drawer organizers, makeup trays, vanity desk dividers, versatile storage bins, clear plastic drawer organization container for dresser, kitchen, office. When organizing bathroom drawers, you want a lot of options in terms of sizes and shapes. With this in mind, we found the Kutik Drawer Organizer Set. This 16-piece set features a variety of sizes that nest together to create little compartments for everything from makeup and skincare to hair accessories to supplements and more. While they aren't adjustable like the OXO 4-piece complete adjustable drawer bin set, the bins have enough sizes that still allow you to customize your drawer based on your organization needs. We also love that they have an acrylic look, thanks to the durable, crack-resistant polystyrene material. This means it's easy to clean and costs less than $20 for 16 pieces. Number 1. Pipishil Bamboo Expandable Drawer Organizer for Utensils Holder, Adjustable Cutlery Tray, Wood Drawer Dividers Organizer for silverware, flatware, knives in kitchen, bedroom, living room. Our choice for best for flatware is the Pipishil Bamboo Expandable Drawer Organizer. This bamboo drawer organizer features several compartments in varying sizes that fit a collection of flatware, plus other small kitchen items such as measuring spoons, bottle openers, and more. While it isn't big enough to hold a large kitchen utensil collection, the drawer organizer does expand to reveal 2 bigger compartments that can fit a few frequently used items, including whisks, ladles, and wooden mixing spoons. We'd love it because it has the look of a solid drawer organizer, but the expandable feature makes it versatile enough to fit smaller and larger kitchen drawers.